Hi everyone, Toys Academy here. We have Princess Water Palace by Disney Princess. The playset includes Princess Ariel. The princess can swing, twirl around, glide down the slide, and we can create a waterfall.
And we have Petaflow Princess. And we have Rapunzel, Belle, and the last, Cinderella. Now I'm going to open the Water Palace playset. So excited to play with this.
Everything's set up and now it's time to play.
Yay! First I'm going to start with the slide because I want to see how they slide down into the pool. Whoa! She floats. Whoa.
Wow, she looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Floating in the water. Who's next?
Next up we're going to do Belle. Oh no! She's upside down. She's not floating correctly.
Wow. Now whose turn it is?
Cinderella. Woo! She's upside down too. There she goes.
And the last one?
Rapunzel! Ooh. Oh no, she's on her side. Yay!
Wow. 4 Disney princesses.
Yeah, they're floating under dress. That's cute. Maybe Princess Ariel. Now next I want to do the swing. There's a Rapunzel. Ooh.
Whee!
Yay.
Is it Belle's turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! Next I'm gonna do Cinderella. Looks like she's going wild.
Yeah, you swing your hard.
Last, we're gonna do Ariel.
Ariel's turn.
Our last.
Woo!
Now I'm gonna try to do it with waterfalls. I'm gonna do Ariel first. Ooh. He's getting happy. I'm gonna do someone else now. Now I'm gonna do a Belle. Whee! Oh. That's wild. Now I'm gonna do Rapunzel. Now I'm gonna do Cinderella for the last. It looks like she's gonna take a bath while she's swinging.
Okay, now time for the princesses
Yeah.
to swim in the pool.
Yeah. For last, I want to see the Disney princess twirl around. First, Ariel, my favorite princess. Ooh. Oh, it's upside down. Next off, Rapunzel. She kind of touched my hand. Next, Cinderella. And upside down. Now for last, Belle. Oh. Hey. I like this toy. I like the play set. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.